I picked up a new toy recently. I just got this 66-inch Grapple. In order to use this with my tractor, I have to install a third function hydraulic kit, which is this box. First impressions, I think it's been sitting in the yard a little bit. You know, a few signs of rust. I have a Scotch-Brite. I'm gonna Scotch-Brite these down the cylinders a little bit, clean them up. But, we'll see how it works. Okay, step one, it's saying this valve is gonna get mounted right on these two bolts. So it's gonna look just like that. Okay, so it's saying here, the other two hoses are supply and return. So these are your four functions of your bucket, of your loader itself. And then there's two lines in the back, which are supply and return. The supply line is marked with green tape. The return line is marked with a piece of red tape. On this, it's not marked with tape. It has tiny dots. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this down. There's a little green dot on there, okay? And on this one, there's a red dot on that one. So that's your supply and return. So this one right here, which is on the outside in the back, that's going to be connected to this bottom towards the back fitting. Okay, now this 1/2-inch hose that was provided with the kit, now we're going to screw that into the other side here and into the spot that we just disconnected. Okay, now we're up front. It's saying to remove this nut on this torque tube and assemble it like so. There is a red metal cover protecting the 4 steel tubes, right? So that is the torque tube. This guy. Remove the nut that holds this cover on the right hand side. Reusing the same nut, mount the bulkhead bracket so that the quick connects are pointing toward the back of the attachment. Back of the attachment. Okay, I've been racking my brain around this off camera trying to figure out what's going on here. I don't know if they sent me the wrong handle knob or what, but this was mounted onto this arm for the original handle, but it doesn't fit in the new handle provided, and this ring doesn't come out, and obviously it doesn't go right on threads. So there's the 3 wires connect to the 3 posts on the switch, and this other black wire that has the single red gets wired to a hot source on the tractor. So now you can kind of hear the relay clicking over when you push the button here. So I'm going to push this button and you'll hear it. Okay, I just wanted to show you what I ended up doing for this handle. It pretty much wants you to just sit it on this, and I'm not okay with that. So what I ended up doing, I just have a regular bolt, and these are some nylon spacers and a coupler. And it's all 3/8 by 16. So I'm just gonna thread that on there. So that's nice and tight. Then that raises it up too. I think it's going to be more comfortable, more ergonomic. And we'll tighten up these. And we'll tighten this back up. Now that's going to be at a more comfortable height. So that's all I did. Okay, so here's what happened. This implement, and I had a phone conversation with one of the guys from the company that I ordered this from, and he asked me about the Mahindra kit. What adapters are you using? I said I'm not sure what's normal. He goes, well, there's this kind, and then they have a flat adapter. I said, yeah, probably not the flat if that's not the normal one. And I specifically, I made sure that he shipped it with the regular quick attachments. But these are flat. So I had to go out. I had to buy new, I had to buy some of these things. And, well, it just looks like, these are the new ones I just bought. It looks like I just swapped these out, and we'll see if that's good to go. Okay, so it's been about a month and a half since I started this video about the Grapple. The burn ban was just lifted, so let's go burn some brush.